Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the day 15 of our MS Excel journey and we are learning the MS Excel from the very basics. Today let's learn another topic which will be used in MS Excel very frequently while working in the MS Excel. If you are someone who is using Excel very frequently or on a daily basis, I hope this formula you have been using, and for the ones who are not at open Excel and just new to the Excel, I am sure that this formula will help you do your work in a less time and efficient manner, reducing your manual work times. Let's go directly into the Excel and see what is this formula that I'm talking about. I am talking about the if formula, which can be used in the Excel to do a variety of functions. Today we'll start from the very basics, that is, I'm telling you the practical use of the if function from the very basics, and we'll continue learning in a step by step in an advanced version as well. Today we'll see at the simple data and let's learn how can we use if formula over here to get the result which we require. Now over here, what I require is that wherever there is marks above 50, I want an pass written over here in the C column, and wherever the marks is below 50, I want a fail to be written in my C column. I'll just name the C column as a status, and now I want the marks which is above 50 to be written as pass, and for the marks which is below 50 I want it to be written as fail. Now how do I do it? Here is the practical use of the if function. If you see the video till the very end, you will be able to understand it in a very simple and easy manner, and you will be also able to perform this function when you are using the Excel. Firstly, I'll format the C column heading the same way as the B and A column is formatted. For that, I will use the format painter. I just come over here, keep my cursor in the B column and click the format painter and just place the cursor at the C column, and see, you can see that the format is copy pasted from the B to C as well. Now coming to the actual problem, that is, there are students from A to Z and the marks present in front of them in the respective B column. Now, what I want is that if the mark is above 50, I want it as pass, and if it is below 50, I want it as fail. Now, what will you do? If you just go on typing over here pass and fail, it won't be the correct manner. Suppose I change this and put it as 49. Do you think, firstly, I'll put it as 57 as it was earlier. And now if I just go on typing over here, pass, sorry, this is 2 pass and over here fail. Now what do you think if I change my B value from 57 to 38, will the C column change itself? No, it will not change itself because there I have typed it manually, and whenever there is a changes in the value, I need to come and change this every single time. So I'll not do that, and I will put an formula over here so that if I change my values in my future in the B column, the result will also get changed in the C column as well. Now over here I put is equal to, before inserting any formula, as I've told you, you need to put a is equal to sign, and then I put a if function over here. I press tab and it's asking for a logical test. Now what is the logical test? Logical test means you are performing a test or putting a logic in front of the Excel which you are looking for. Now over here I am looking for my B2 value and it should be greater than 50. If it is greater than 50, the value which I am looking it the value which I want over there is pass, and if it is false, that is if the value is if the value is lesser than 50, I want it as fail. I put it in double inverted comma and press enter, and now you can see that the result get displayed over here. Now what I need to do is just come over here and press the double and just press double click at the bottom of the cell. Now you can see that I have not just manually typed the values, and I have inserted a formula which gives the result I require. Now if I come to my B column and I change it to 49, what do you think will the C column be changed? Let's look at it. I press enter and you see that my C column will also get changed according to my B column because a formula is inserted over there. This is the practical use of the formula, which does not require you to come every single time and change the values manually. So we are using the formulas in the MS Excel so that our time get reduced and we get the result which we require within a matter of seconds or even minutes. This was a simple and practical use case where you used only two values, that is, if it is less than 50 fail and if it is greater than 50 pass. Now what if there are huge number of values present over here and huge conditions to be given to the MS Excel? It can also be done in the MS Excel, and we'll be seeing it in the coming videos. I'll be teaching it to you from the very basics, and what you need to do is just come and see the video from the very beginning and see it till the end so that you never miss any learnings in the MS Excel. This was it for the day, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and have a good day. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any learnings in the MS Excel and from me. Thank you. Have a good day.